Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox Voice Chat not working. First, go ahead and open roblox.com on your browser and click on the gear icon at the top right of the site, and let's go to Settings. From here, go to Privacy and Content Restrictions, and let's click on Communication right here, and click on Voice Chat. From here, make sure that your microphone is enabled. If not, just click on this toggle icon, and this window will appear, and just click on Enable, and it should now turn blue. That means that your microphone is enabled on your Roblox account. After that, right-click on the sound icon on your taskbar at the bottom right part and click on Open Sound Settings. From here, scroll down, and under the Input section, you should be able to see Device Properties, so click on that and make sure that the volume is set to 100. Now open up Roblox again and open up any game that supports voice, and from here click on the S key on your keyboard and let's go to Settings, scroll down, and you should be able to see the input device and make sure that the device you are using here is working. And we can close this one, and you can then click on the microphone icon at the top left part to unmute yourself and use your microphone. The next way would be to go to more at the left part of the Roblox app. You log out and re-log in on your account again and see if that works. The next way would be to search for uninstall and click on add or remove programs. From here, we are going to find Roblox on this list, Roblox player, click on uninstall, and after you have uninstalled it, reinstall Roblox from the official site and see if your voice chat is working again after joining an experience that supports using the voice chat. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.